Oh no, a mother bear got into a fight with a big male grizzly. During the chaos, one of her cubs accidentally fell off a cliff. The other cub was lucky enough to escape at first. It then hid right at the edge of the cliff, avoiding the male grizzly's attack. After the danger passed, it finally reunited with its mother. But the cub that fell was swept downstream by the river. Cold and trembling, it had no idea how to find its way back. Luckily, a man discovered the little cub and brought it home. He gave it a warm bath, and soon the cub recovered. The man cared for it with incredible patience, treating it like his own child. The baby bear bonded deeply with him, staying by his side every day and living a happy, peaceful life. As time went on, the cub grew bigger and bigger, eventually becoming even taller than the man. But their relationship never changed. The bear remained affectionate and loyal, and the two built a truly unbreakable